Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. Now, I haven't hand cut this, and you know me, I always hand cut everything. This is made using the Treat Time bundle. So it's the Treat Time stamp set and the framelets, or actually technically this is made with the framelets. And I wanted to talk you through them because you know, normally a sour cream container has a flat top and this one's got this lovely top to it. So I want to show you how to put the framelets together. So you can have a heart, you can have a domed, you could have scalloped, you could have flat. The catalogue shows some really good examples. So you've got hearts there, you've got this sort of lovely scalloped edge, and you've got this one. It kind of looks a bit like an ice cream. But you also have this amazing stamp set, and all of those match with this framelit here. But they also match the Darling label punch, which is part of that nice bundle. So those are on page 35. And over on page 44, you have this set, which is a tin, a couple of ink spots, a block, a stamp set, and the punch, and those are the stamps. And this actually fits a lot of these. So if I grab one, this one here will do. Actually, we'll grab that one. Perfect fit. So it's kind of dual purpose, so you don't have to have those shapes, you could have these. I just wanted to point that out. But when you're putting together, when you're die cutting, and I've used the Animal, is it Animal Outing or Animal Antics? I don't remember. I see I'm still not completely au fait with the names. Animal Expedition. That's what I've used. You need a piece of cardstock, a paper that's 6 by 6. I'm going to grab in my magnetic platform, which is kind of essential. Clear plate. Okay, and you start with this part and lay it up. Actually, it doesn't completely need to be 6 by 6. That is it's a wibbly plate illustrator. So I'll position that up there. Reasonably straight. Oh, and it just wants to jump about. Okay, and then you choose which one of these you want. So whether you want flat, whether you want the dome, or whether you want the heart. I'm going to go with the dome with this one because I've already done the heart. And what you've got, actually, if I bring this back up, let me put it on autofocus for you. What you have are these parts here and that there, and it's like a jigsaw, and they pop in together on both sides. Like that and like that, and that's how you get the shape that you want by marrying them up. And like I say, it's 6 by 6. You actually don't even need 6 by 6, but it's been perfectly sized to fit. And I'm going to point out, there you go, pushing those in, these bits here and here as well, which hopefully you can see. These bits here and here won't cut, but they will make a mark. Okay, so let's run that lot through the big shot. Bear with me, it's just off camera. I've got a lot of stuff on my desk that I wanted to show you. And I would be able to fit that on as well. So, there we go. So I'm just going to gently double check that that has cut all the way through. I'm reasonably certain it has. Oh, not quite there. So I'm going to run that through again. It has now, but it hasn't at the bottom. Die cutting paper is always a bit awkward, isn't it? It's a bit of a kind of a risky thing. So I'm just running it through again. Yeah, when you die cut paper, there's never any guarantee, so you kind of almost need to put a shim on sometimes. There we go, it's gone through perfectly now. So, there's my bits, and you just gently wiggle them to separate them. And they go back in. And yeah, variety. We love variety, don't we? Okay, let me move that lot out of the way. So as I pointed out, there are these little marks. Can you just see that one there? There's one, there's another, and that is to guide you where you're folding, because we want this to go around here and squish, and those guides will help you squish. So that we're going to put tape there and there. I'm not going to worry about the top because that will pull itself shut. So this is the side that's got this little guide, so you're going to put tape on that bit. So on the outside, and then on the inside. Okay, so when you peel that off, they're not score lines, they're guidelines. And the matching ones are up at the top. And when you bring it round, and you need like 15 hands for this sometimes. That is naturally going to squish there because it's got those, it's had the little bits there. This one you're going to need a paper piercer or something to pick the backing off. And it's going to squish in the other direction. And if you're like me, I didn't line it up perfectly, just trim the edge off. And then it will line up nicely. And when you squish there, it will close like that, and you can pop it open. Squish pop, and just put your ribbon around. So I'm going with the same one that I used before, so the Poppy Parade mini striped ribbon. Those hippos are cute, aren't they? Hippos with butterflies on them, just so sweet. Little bow on there, or not I should say. And then my stamping. So what did I put on this one? It's a real treat being friends with you. What should I put on this one? Happy for you, I think. Which is this one. Oh, it's the one I had out before. Oh, there we go. So Poppy Parade again. Let's work to a theme. A clear block. And I'm not going to die cut this one, I'm going to stamp it. No, I'm going to punch it. Just to prove it does it. So Poppy Parade ink. Happy for you. And then my darling label punch. On there. Dimensionals on the back. Oh, I don't want 3 of them. Kind of covered up all of the hippo, but you know, that's okay. And that is as easy as it is. So I love this. So even though I tend not particularly to use dies for boxes and bags and things like that, I went for this one because I wanted the variety, I wanted the shapes, I wanted my little heart, I wanted my domed bit, I wanted the scallops and all of those extras that you can't normally get, and I love it. So cute, and I love the fact that you've got these easy guides, which I clearly haven't lined up with, but you know, we'll pretend I did. So it's very difficult doing stuff on camera. This one, absolutely perfect. I wasn't filming, I think my hands went camera shy, but I hope you like it, I hope you find it useful, and the fact that you can use the dies or the punch for those words, which are just brilliant. And look, you know what, shall I just put this one away while I'm here? Don't put it down, put it away. You know what I say. Brilliant. Love, love, love. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.